morning, which I'll be sleeping because I have a full-time job and I'm normally working right now, but I'm off today. That's kind of nice. My job's overnight, so that's why I'm up right now. Okay, financial juice. If you're not on it, get on it. What are you waiting for? I'm not a technicals trader, but if you are, you should still be using this because this gives you the sentiment most likely of the upcoming session. These London traders are going to come in about 2 hours, sit down at their desks, and they're going to look at this, 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 all of this stuff, everything that's happening. All right. And they're going to judge which way they want to trade based on what they're learning from these articles. All right. It's really that simple. So even if you're a technicals trader, if your system is telling you that you should be selling US dollar against the Canadian dollar, then you come on here and you see nothing but Canadian dollar bashing. Why would you go long the Canadian dollar? That's silly. Use this to help you if you're a technicals trader. All right. Two things I am focused on is the US dollar CAD as well as the US dollar yen. Currently, everything that happened with the French elections are pretty much running sideways. All right, unless news breaks out about Le Pen or I don't know how to say his name, Macron, I don't know. From there, then I'll decide which way I want to go. Right now, everyone's like, oh, it's going to close the gap, it's going to close the gap. You don't know that, okay? It's very possible that the price was not priced in. And when all this stuff came out, good for the euro, this may be the new price that it's trading at. We're not sure. I don't know. You don't know. Nobody knows. Usually, markets close gaps, but in markets, there's always the unexpected, right? So as far as US dollar CAD goes, the articles were starting to be written out around this time, around noonish yesterday. And you could have jumped in here as a buy on this little pullback. I didn't because truthfully, I wasn't at my computer. I was actually mowing my lawn. So I didn't get into here. Then around here, more articles, of course, because price started moving. And right now, I'm waiting for this to come down to about here. If we can get it here, I'm aiming for this area again. My stop loss will be down here. Okay, that's what I'm aiming for. Oh, but Sean, you're not having a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. It doesn't matter, because if I win 7 trades, in a row, taking 20, 30, 40 pips, then I have one loser for 40 pips. I'm still winning. I'm still making my money. Everybody's happy. And when you have the market sentiment on your side, or you have fundamentals on your side, you're going to win more than you're going to lose. And you'll see it if you check out Financial Juice. No, they don't pay me. I'm just saying this is free. Use it. Okay? You want to use Talking Forex? Rand Squawk? Go right ahead. But it's so easy when all these articles just get put on one site for you. Check that out. The other thing we're going to talk about real quick is, why did I do that? North Korea. I don't know what Trump's going to do about this. I don't want to get involved in a war, but my political stuff, you can personal message me if you want about that. I'm not interested in wars. I think we are in too many wars. Regardless, if Trump decides to do something crazy, just like I think what they're doing is crazy, we may see the dollar yen, where are you? Here. We may see this come down. And if it's really crazy, we may see it close this gap. I may be interested in selling I put a take profit here. I may even enter 2 trades, have one take profit here and one down here. And if I can reach this area, I'll move my stop losses, which would be here. Well, I'll close one trade because that'll hit my take profit. And then the other trade I would move to like here. All right. Do not take any of this information as investment advice. Do your own research, figure out what you want to do. I'm not in control of your account. You are. I don't press buy on your account or sell on your account. You do. Other than that, that's all I got for now. All right. There's reasons why these 3 things right here are always on my computer. This is just an article. We can get rid of that. I already read it. Doesn't matter. These 3 things, check it out. I'm sure all of you know about this. I did not know about this till recently. Check it out. I'm sure we all know about this. It's important. Do it, guys. I will see you probably with an update around 4 o'clock in the morning. We'll see what kind of trades I'm in. All right. Y'all have a good one.